Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency in Xero. If you work with customers or suppliers overseas, adding an extra currency in Xero lets you invoice, bill, and reconcile in that currency while Xero handles the exchange rates behind the scenes. I'll walk you through the exact clicks and share quick tips so everything makes sense as you go. Start on your Xero homepage for the organization you want to update. Look to the top left of the screen for your organization menu. Click the organization name to open its menu, then choose Settings. This takes you to the central place where company-level preferences live. On the Settings page, scroll until you find the Currencies section. It can sit beneath other financial settings, so keep scrolling until you see it. Click at Currencies to open your list of enabled currencies for this organization. A quick note before we continue. Your base or default currency is set when the organization is created and can't be switched here. What we're doing is adding an additional currency so you can transact in it. Inside the currencies area, click Add Currency. Xero will show you a list of supported currencies complete with their standard 3-letter codes. Select the currency you want to use. Pick carefully because once you start posting transactions in a currency, it becomes part of your reporting history. If you're unsure which one to choose, match the code used by your bank accounts or by the invoices you plan to issue. After selecting the currency, click Add Currency to confirm. That's it. The currency is now available in your organization. From this point, when you create invoices or bills, you'll be able to choose the new currency from the currency dropdown, and Xero will use current market rates to calculate conversions back to your base currency on reports. Rates update automatically each day, and you can view or adjust historical rates later if your accounting policies require it. If you don't see the currencies option or the Add Currency button, it typically means your user role doesn't have access or your subscription plan doesn't include multi-currency. In that case, check with the subscriber or an administrator for access or plan details. You've just enabled another currency in Xero with a handful of clicks. Keep these steps in mind whenever you expand to new markets. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.